Okay, so we've got the correct value for the total. If your value for the total is not this, please see the previous video. Now we want to figure out the percentage of koalas that have each of these conditions. We're going to focus on these three because, well, we can focus on all five. But if your values for these do not match up with this, please see me, because you may have an error in your formulas. So to work out a percentage, it's pretty simple. What we do is we're going to take the value that we want to find the percentage for. So in this case, the conjunctivitis, the number of koalas that have conjunctivitis, and we're going to divide it by the total number of koalas. To do that in Excel, we write an equal sign in this cell. We're going to click on the cell that we want. We're going to use the /, which is on the question mark key to the left of your right hand shift key. And we're going to then click on the total cell here. So you can see it says B2. Now if we look here, this is column B. This is row 2, B2. That's that cell there. And B7 is going to be column B, row 7. And that one there. You can see it's going to give us a decimal number. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on that cell. We're going to hold Shift. We're going to click down there, and we're going to hit this percent style here. And you can see it says 12%. Now, we might want to be a bit more precise, so we can click on this button to increase the decimal points to give us 11.93. You could go even further, but I wouldn't go any more than 2 decimal places for this. Now, what you might be tempted to do is copy this and paste it here, but that gives us an error. That's because Excel's trying to be smart, and it moves the cells when we copy things. Now, if we went in here, we copied what was in this box here, and then we click here and do that, then it's going to give us a result, but it's not the result that we want. So what we can do is we can use something it's an absolute cell reference, okay? And what that means is that when we go and copy it, that cell's not going to change position at all. So the way to do that is we put a $sign in front of the B, a $sign in front of the 7, okay? Press Enter, and now when I copy this and paste it, we see it works. It's still referencing the total correctly, but it's moved the value that we're looking at. So now I can copy this, I can paste it all the way down here, and if I paste it here, it's going to show 100% because it's dividing this number that we get here just by itself, so that's 100%. So this gives us an idea. Now these two values here should, if we hover over them, they sum to 99.22%. We would generally expect that it sums to 100% because they're either dead or alive. There's no really other way to put it. So I want you to have a little think about what might be causing that. I think that's the end of what we're going to do in this video. You should now have a percentage that looks like this for each of your conditions. Again, if the values don't match, please come see me.